It's a beautiful morning. Let's go see what we can get into. Hey guys, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. If this is the first time here, don't forget to drop down and subscribe to my channel. Today we're on an adventure. Saturday morning. I'm gonna head up to Lowe's and go check some stuff up and let you know a few things what I think about that store. Lowe's. What's not to love about this kind of place? Let's go in and check out some stuff. Let's go check out the plumbing. Ooh. Kohler toilets, American standard. Look at this display. All the pretty new toilets. Some of the prices. $239, $289, $350. Let's check out the sinks here. Those aren't bad. Look at this one. Pedestal lev. Let's keep moving on. This is one of those little corner shower units. Let's see how it fits. Ooh. I'm inside of a shower, inside of Lowe's. Pretty cool. Hey, look at this. A whole display of garbage disposals. Ugh.
Special assistance needed at the pickup desk.
This is the aisle I was looking for. Look at all these faucets. Let's check out prices. $288. It's a Delta. There's Moen as well, $250. Pretty fancy stuff. Let's move on, check out some more prices. $399 on a Moen. Says a magnet on the end. In and out. They're pretty nice looking faucets. And here's the row that's got all the piping. Man, this place has got everything. Let's take a look at the prices on these water heaters. A.O. Smith. Ooh, 10-year electric hybrids, $1,338. $40-year, 12-year electric. $536, A.O. Smith. It's pretty good prices on these water heaters, I'll tell you. This is what I've been looking for. Check it out. They've got a display here. Delta faucets. There's just one kind. It's like a clearance or a blowout. $229 for the Delta Ashton and Zalia kitchen faucets. That's a heck of a deal. Not a bad looking. Alright, well, that's a little tour of the plumbing section at Lowe's. I'm sure you're probably going to see about the same stuff at Home Depot, so I don't think I'm going to be going there. As soon as I get out of here, I'm going to do a little bit of reviewing, and we're going to talk about what we've seen today. So, hang out. Alright, so we're out of Lowe's. We're out by the street. It's kind of loud here, but I guess the whole reason why I went into Lowe's, Home Depot, the same difference, whatever. Took a small little tour around the plumbing department and stuff. Guys, when you're out here, I know it's quick and easy. It's a playground for do-it-yourself kind of people. If you're looking to replace a toilet or especially a faucet, these are not the places to go. And here's the reason why, especially water heaters. When you buy these things, yeah, you might be saving yourself a few bucks, but look at the paperwork, especially on the front of a water heater. It says stop. big sign on the side of a water heater when you get them from here. Stop, do not return this to the store. If you have a problem, call this 1-800 number, and then they give you the runaround if you have a problem with the water heater. That's why I always try to encourage everybody to buy from a plumbing supply company when you're going to buy a fixture such as a toilet, a faucet, or a water heater of some sort, because they're at least going to honor the warranty. They're not going to give you the runaround. If you have a problem, they're going to end up coming out to your house and they're going to take care of it instead of waiting around and having a bunch of problems. So saving a few bucks isn't always the best thing when it comes to these sorts of things. So keep that in mind before you just run down to your local Home Depot or Lowe's and decide to grab a water heater or a kitchen faucet, because these products are not the same quality as getting them from a plumbing supply company. They come from a third party and they're built cheaper, especially with the toilets that they sell here at Lowe's and Home Depot. American Standard used to be the name when it came to toilets until the 90s, when they ended up selling the company to Mexico. Now it's very cheaply put together and you get what you pay for, and they're garbage. So keep that in mind and spend a couple extra bucks. Support your local plumbing supply place. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hey, listen, I got them all day long. Don't forget to subscribe and support your local plumbing supply company. Until next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.